live at 6.
Stern reaction from family and friends of 4 suspects.
A judge just ordered high bonds for a high-profile crime. Good evening, I'm Mallory Maddox.
And I'm John Nicely.
It all happened within minutes. A bank robbery, a shooting, a home invasion.
As of today, 11 people are in custody for Thursday's crime spree. 4 went before a judge today. The first 3 are accused of pulling off the robbery. The 4th, a woman, is now linked in a way we did not know about until today. Her bond is set at $250,000. The others between $500,000 and $1 million.
As Chase Moffitt reports, prosecutors believe they may all be connected to more crimes.
The 4 defendants appeared in Douglas County Court this morning in connection with the Bank of the West robbery and a home invasion from last week. But we now know, according to prosecutors today, they may be eyeing the federal courthouse in terms of possibly maximizing sentence potential. For now, at least, after today, we know more about what happened last Thursday. When 3 gunmen held up the Bank of the West at 87th and Center Street Thursday, we knew that a man had followed them into a neighborhood. Prosecutors are calling him a good Samaritan because even though he was shot, law enforcement said he was able to give good information, helping police disrupt a fairly organized getaway plan. But they are still trying to figure out who shot him.
We're working on that, yeah. There's being some DNA testing done, and we'll figure that out.
The 3 suspected bank robbers and a 4th suspect appeared in court today. Their friends and family not happy with the high bonds set by Judge Vaughn. The state says it's necessary.
There are a lot of bank robberies going on, and there may be some connections here, so these are dangerous individuals. Obviously, we had a shooting last week with one of them, so we want to keep them off the street.
The 4th suspect, a new player, entered the picture today, Morgan Reinders.
Her vehicle was impounded, and she was charged as well.
It's in this neighborhood after the robbery and shooting that prosecutors say Reinders was waiting in a Dodge Durango, waiting to pick up the other 3 suspects. That's why she's being charged as an accessory. However, her defense attorney said today that she knew nothing of the robbery and shooting, and in fact, she had only received a frantic phone call from her ex-boyfriend saying that he needed a ride. Once all 4 suspects were taken into custody after 2 allegedly stormed into a home nearby, investigators were able to make 7 other arrests in connection to the case. In court, prosecutors said they were able to gather up several other masks and up to 8 guns during the roundup in the days that followed. While some sit behind bars tonight, police continue to unravel a bank robbery web that could still nab more suspects. With photographer Mike Plews, Chase Moffitt, WOWT 6 News.
Again, 11 people are in custody. Prosecutors are looking into whether DNA evidence will help connect the other 7 to more bank robberies in the metro. They're being held on what at this point are called unrelated charges.